rum, vodka, caviar, champagne, cognac, tomatoes, and papaya. No, it's not a party. These are just some of the go-to ingredients found in the beauty cabinets of these stunning actresses. Let's take a closer look inside. Ana de Armas is taking over the world, not just with her talent, but with her flawless, glowing Cuban skin. This Hollywood star is known for her radiant complexion and those glossy, healthy hair vibes we all dream of. Her beauty routine is a perfect mix of timeless traditions and trending skincare hacks. And today, we're spilling all her favorite at-home beauty secrets. Surprising, super effective, and easy to recreate in your own bathroom. Even skincare pros will be impressed. Cuban Glow Secrets, straight from Ana's Beauty Playbook. 1. Coconut milk face wash. Ana's method. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut milk with 1 teaspoon honey. Use it as a gentle cleanser, then rinse with cool water. My grandma swore by this. Leaves your skin baby soft, Ana says. Pro tip: use coconut water instead of toner during the day to stay hydrated. 2. Coconut oil hair mask. Apply to the lengths and ends of your hair. Leave for 30 to 60 minutes or overnight. Wash out with a gentle shampoo. Shiny, nourished hair. Yes, please. 3. Cuban papaya glow mask. You'll need 1/4 ripe papaya, mashed, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon fine sea salt. How to use: apply for 10 minutes, gently massage, rinse off. What it does: gently exfoliates dead skin, brightens dark spots thanks to papain enzyme. Ana uses this mask once a week. Try it 3 times and get ready for that glow. 4. Grandma's tomato and sugar mask. You'll need 1 juicy tomato, mashed, 1 tablespoon raw cane sugar, 3 drops lemon juice. Use like this. Massage into skin for 2 minutes. Leave for 10. Result: instantly brightens and tightens pores. Lycopene magic. My grandma in Cuba used this before Carnival, Ana reveals. 5. Emergency egg white plus cognac mask. Shared by her makeup artist on the Bond set. Beat 1 egg white plus 1 teaspoon cognac for those tannins. Apply with a brush, let dry for 10 minutes. Result: a lifted, firmed face, like a spa alginate treatment at home. 6. Ice cubes with coconut water or cucumber, plus mint. What you'll need: 100 milliliters coconut water or juice of 1 cucumber, 5 fresh mint leaves, blended 1 teaspoon aloe vera juice. How to use: glide over your face in the morning for 3 minutes. Focus under eyes. Benefits: depuffs, tightens pores, gives fresh like post-cryotherapy skin. 7. Cocoa butter night mask. Ana's method. Melt 1 teaspoon cocoa butter. Add 2 drops neroli oil for that dreamy scent. Apply a thin layer before bed. Why it works: deep overnight skin repair. Neroli soothes and smooths fine lines. 8. Green tea plus rum. Night compress. Yep, you read that right. Brew 2 green tea bags in 50 milliliters white rum. Let steep 30 minutes. Soak gauze or cloth. Apply to face for 15 minutes before sleep. What it does: detoxifies skin. Rum, Shak's natural antiseptic, brightens and gently exfoliates. Ana does this after long-haul flights to revive tired skin. 9. And Ana's most unexpected red carpet hack. Before stepping out, she applies nipple cream. Yes, 100% lanolin, all over her face. Adds a layer of hyaluronic serum. Blots the face with a tissue after 15 minutes. Baby soft skin. Way cheaper than any luxury primer. Ana laughs. Demi Moore, in her 60s, looks absolutely stunning. Radiant skin, lifted features, and hair that still turns heads. Her beauty routine, a genius combo of high-end treatments and trusted home remedies. Today, we will talk about how the actress uses charcoal, caviar, basil, vodka, and champagne, and also why she sometimes comes to the vet shop, ready to unlock the Hollywood secrets behind Demi's timeless glow. Demi Moore's most extravagant at-home beauty rituals that you can totally try too. 1. Charcoal detox, face cleanser. What you need: 1 capsule, pill, activated charcoal, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon rose water. How to use: mix ingredients, apply to damp skin, massage for 30 seconds, rinse off. Use 2 to 3 times a week. It deeply cleans pores, detoxifies, and reduces oil. Works for all skin types. 2. DIY lifting mask with gelatin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 2 tablespoons green tea, 3 drops vitamin E. Heat on a double boiler until smooth. Let cool a bit. Apply for 20 minutes. Peel off like a film. Results: instant firming. Softens wrinkles. Defines jawline. 3. Yes, a caviar mask, the real deal. What you'll need: 1 teaspoon fresh salmon, roe or cod roe, 1 tablespoon sour cream, 3 drops lemon juice. How to use: apply for 15 minutes, rinse with mineral water. The mask is rich in omega-3s and phospholipids. Skin glows like post-DMAE treatment. A Russian massage therapist in a New York spa gave me this one, says Demi. 4. Herbal ice therapy, ice cube mix, sage tea, parsley juice, 1 drop geranium essential oil per 100 milliliters. Use every morning to tighten pores, depuff, boost microcirculation. 5. OMG, ice cubes with champagne. Ingredients: 100 milliliters, brut champagne, no sugar, 1 tablespoon rose, water, 5 rosy petals. Use: swipe across, face for 2 minutes in the morning. 6. Green tea plus vodka, night compress. What to do: steep 2 green tea bags in 50 milliliters vodka. Let sit 1 hour. Soak gauze. Apply to face for 10 minutes before bed. Results: better than toner for pore tightening. Cuts down oily shine. Demi does this twice a week instead of using salicylic acid. 7. Natural retinol, alternative for overnight care. Demi skips synthetic retinol and uses this natural version. Mix: 1 teaspoon rosehip oil, natural retinoic acid, 2 drops sea buckthorn oil, 1 capsule vitamin A. Open and mix in. 8. Coffee plus honey plus cayenne scrub. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coffee grounds, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. For circulation boost. Effects: anti-cellulite. Skin looks freshly sculpted, like post-vacuum massage. Attention: avoid if you have rosacea or sensitive skin. 9. Mega hair growth and shine. Mask. What you need: 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon fenugreek, paste aloe vera gel, 3 drops rosemary essential oil. How to use: beat the yolk until smooth. Mix with all other ingredients. Massage from roots to ends. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Shampoo and style as usual. 10. Demi's Holy Grail, basil hair rinse. Promotes strong roots, fast growth, and a glass-like shine. Ingredients: 1/2 cup fresh basil, or 2 tablespoons dried, 1 cup boiling water, 1 teaspoon rosemary oil, optional. Instructions: steep basil in boiling water 30 to 40 minutes. Strain. Add rosemary oil if using. Use as a final rinse after shampooing. Don't wash out. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Attention: if you have light hair, don't leave it in too long. Basil can leave a slight greenish tint, but it washes out easily. Results: 2 weeks, less hair fall. 1 month, baby hairs start to grow. 2 months, thicker, shinier hair. 11th, Demi's most wild skincare hack. Before major shoots, she applies Utter Cream. Yes, from the vet store. covers her face with plastic wrap for 10 minutes. It instantly smooths the skin, making it childishly smooth. It's pure lanolin, better than any luxury face cream. Demi's golden rule: don't be afraid to experiment. Beauty is play. Sometimes the weirdest tricks give the best results. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on the hottest news and amazing recipes.